In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a beauty salon, spa, or barbershop website using WordPress and Elementor, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. This method works perfectly for hair salons, beauty studios, massage spas, and barbershops that want a clean, professional website without hiring a developer. We'll be using the Astra theme along with Elementor and starter templates to get everything set up quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future WordPress tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress admin panel and head over to your dashboard. This is where all website management starts, including themes, plugins, and page editing. Once you're in the dashboard, go to Appearance and then click on Themes. From here, click Add New and search for the Astra theme. Astra is lightweight, fast, and works perfectly with Elementor, which makes it ideal for salon and barbershop websites. Click Install, then Activate once the installation finishes. Next, we're going to install the required plugins. Go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Elementor Website Builder and install it. Elementor allows you to visually design your pages using drag and drop without writing any code. After that, search for Starter Templates and install that plugin as well. Starter Templates gives you access to professionally designed website layouts that you can import with just a few clicks. Once both plugins are installed and activated, go back to Appearance and click on Starter Templates. Inside the Starter Templates library, make sure Elementor is selected as your page builder. Then use the search bar and type in Salon. You'll see multiple beauty salon, spa, and barbershop templates appear. Choose a design that fits your brand and business style. Click on the template, then start the setup process. During setup, you can choose your logo, colors, and fonts, but you can also skip these steps and customize everything later. Complete the setup and allow WordPress to import the demo content. This may take a few minutes, so be patient while everything installs. Once the import is finished, visit your website from the front end and review your newly installed theme. You should now see a fully functional beauty salon or barbershop website with pages like Home, Services, About, and Contact already created for you. The next step is customization. Go back to your dashboard, open the Pages section, and click Edit with Elementor on the Contact page or any page you want to customize. Using Elementor, you can click directly on text, images, and buttons to edit them. Update your salon name, phone number, email address, business hours, and location details. You can also change images to match your own salon or barbershop branding. Make sure to save your changes as you go. Repeat this process for the Home page and Services page to fully personalize your website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a beauty salon, spa, or barbershop website in WordPress and Elementor using Astra and starter templates. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to build their own business website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.